Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer salt. Let's dive into the simple steps to create this flavorful condiment at home. This unique seasoning, often enjoyed with a cold beverage, is surprisingly easy to prepare. You can customize the flavor profile to your liking, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. We'll cover everything from gathering ingredients to proper storage, ensuring you get a perfect batch every time. Get ready to elevate your drink and snack experience. To begin, gather your simple ingredients and equipment. You'll need about 1 cup of fine-grained salt, which forms the base of our mixture. Fresh citrus zest from 2 or 3 limes or lemons provides that signature tangy flavor. For those who enjoy a little heat, a small amount of chili powder, perhaps 1/2 teaspoon, can be a fantastic addition. Make sure you have a grater for the zest and a baking sheet lined with parchment paper ready. Now, let's mix and dry your beer salt. In a bowl, combine your fine-grained salt with the fresh citrus zest. If you're adding chili powder or other spices, mix them in now until everything is well incorporated. Spread this fragrant mixture thinly and evenly onto your parchment-lined baking sheet. You can dry it in an oven at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 45 minutes, or use a food dehydrator at 125 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 to 3 hours, until completely dry. Once your beer salt is completely dry, let it cool down to room temperature. This is crucial before storing to prevent any moisture buildup. Transfer the cooled beer salt into an airtight container, like a small jar, to maintain its freshness and potent flavor. When stored correctly, your homemade beer salt will stay delicious for up to 6 months. Enjoy it by rimming your favorite beverage glasses or sprinkling it over fresh fruit and snacks for an extra burst of flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.